I discuss CMDS prompt for IP config and changing the DNS server to public DNS. And now we go to, so select network and internet, and then so we choose Wi-Fi and select the probability, and we find internet and TPC. So you can see lang ko pagid siya. And now we back to Wi-Fi and then back, and then we find command from. So you can see, you can type this.